Dear students, here is a problem of center of gravity. We are going to find the CG of an arc of a quadrant of the asteroid x equals to a cos q phi, y equals to a sin q phi in the first quadrant. So look, this is the figure of the asteroid as you know. Now in the question it is given that you have to find the CG of an arc in the first quadrant. So let us draw only the first quadrant, or in this figure you see this is the first quadrant. Okay. So in this case at the point A y equals to 0 and at the point B the phi value is pi by 2. So at this point as y equals to 0, phi is 0. At this point phi equals to 0 and at this point phi equals to pi by 2. So here how to find the derivative of the arc? If s is the arc length, then ds is root of this formula you have to remember, that dx d phi whole square plus dy d phi whole square. Into d phi. So if you do the derivative of this x equals to a cos q phi, then you will have three a cos square phi, and the integration of the derivative of cos phi is minus sin phi, the whole thing as square, plus dy d phi. So look here, y equals to a sin q phi. If you do the derivative of y, then you will have 3a sin square phi, and the derivative of sin phi is cos phi, the whole thing is square, and d phi. So if you do this calculation, look, 3a whole square, that is 9a square. Here also 3a whole square, that is 9a square. So you can take common 9a square, and out of square root that will be 3a, and under root there is cos square phi and sin square phi, and here also sin square phi, cos square phi. So you will have two values of same thing. Okay, actually this is 9 and 9, 18. So okay, there will be, and this is minus plus sin square phi. So you will have sin phi and cos phi. Sin phi and cos phi d phi. This is cos to the power 4 phi, and this is sin square phi, and this is sin to the power 4 phi and cos square phi. So one sin square phi and cos square phi will be taken common, and inside there will be cos square phi plus sin square phi, that is 1. So there will be no 2, only sin phi cos phi. Okay, now let us think that the CG CG coordinate is x bar, y bar, somewhere in the curve it is situated. So what is the formula? Formula of x bar is integration x ds divided by integration ds, and the formula for y bar is integration y ds and divided by integration ds. So let us find this x bar. So this is x means a cos q phi, and ds we have found 3a into 3a sin phi cos phi d phi, and the phi limit is from 0 to pi by 2, and the whole thing is divided by integration 3a sin phi and cos phi d phi. Okay, now let us find the numerator and denominator separately, the integral values. So let us find x bar. So this numerator integration, see here 3a square outside, and this is cos to the power 4 phi and sin phi. So if we take cos phi as, or sin phi, if we take sin phi as, let us take cos phi, that will be better. Cos phi as z, then minus sin phi d phi is dz. Okay, so when phi is 0, then z is 1. When phi is pi by 2, then z is 0. Now let us put here 0 to pi by 2, so it is 1 to 0, and sin phi d phi is dz, so sin phi d phi is dz, and there is a minus sign, so minus dz, and cos q phi cos phi, that is z to the power 4, and below it is 3a outside. Similar, cos phi is z, so integration z minus dz, and it is 1 to 0. Okay, now a will be cancelled, so there is only a, and for this minus sign it will be 0 to 1 dz and divided by integration, this is z to the power z dz, 0 to 1. So a z to the power 5 by 5, 0 to 1, and below it is z square by 2, 0 to 1. So this is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. This 2 will come 2a by 5. Okay. Now let us find the y bar. Y bar is integration y ds divided by integration ds. So integration y value, look here, the y value is a sin q phi. A sin q phi, and ds is 3a sin phi cos phi d phi divided by integration 3a sin phi cos phi, and this is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Now let us take the substitution. Say in this case, let us take as cos phi and sin phi as t. Okay, so cos phi d phi is dt, and when phi is 0, then t is 0. When phi is pi by 2, then t is 1. So this is 0 to 1, and 3 will be cancelled, a cancels, only a is there, and sin phi is t, so sin to t to the power 4 dt, and divided by integration 0 to 1 0 to 1 t dt. Okay, so similarly these are the similar integration, so the result is 2a by 5. Therefore the CG of an arc of a quadrant of the asteroid in the first quadrant is 2a by 5, 2a by 5. So this is the answer.